Plant FAQs. Aglaonema tigress. Aglaonema tigress, the easygoing tiger in your home. Hi, Ferbvu here, and today we're discussing the Aglaonema tigress, a houseplant that lives up to its fierce namesake in looks, but is a total sweetheart in terms of care. This beauty is a member of the Araceae family, sharing kinship with philodendrons and peace lilies. If you're looking for a low-maintenance plant that adds a touch of the tropics to your space, the Aglaonema tigress might be your perfect match. Sorry, couldn't resist. Let's delve into some of the most common questions about this houseplant. See more 26 species in genus Aglaonema at monsteraholic.com. What makes the Aglaonema tigress special? The Aglaonema tigress earns its stripes with its stunning foliage. Its long, lance-shaped leaves boast a captivating interplay of deep green and darker green stripes, resembling a tiger's fur. This unique pattern is what sets it apart from other Aglaonema varieties. Beyond its looks, the tigress is a champion of low light tolerance. Unlike many houseplants that demand bright, sunny spots, this one thrives in medium to indirect light. It can even tolerate low light conditions, although the vibrancy of its stripes might diminish slightly. Aglaonema tigress versus Maria. I found that Aglaonema tigress has a bolder, more striking pattern on its leaves compared to Aglaonema Maria, which has a softer, more subtle variegation that blends well in any setting. Tigress adds a vibrant pop of color and texture, while Maria offers a calming, elegant presence with its muted hues. How to care for Aglaonema tigress. The tigress might be a jungle native, but it adapts surprisingly well to indoor life. Here's what you need to know to keep your leafy friend happy. Watering. This plant leans towards the less is more approach. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out completely between waterings. Overwatering is a major enemy, so err on the side of underwatering. Light. As mentioned before, the tigress isn't fussy about light. Medium to bright, indirect light is ideal. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. It can tolerate low light, but growth might be slower. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is crucial. Opt for a mixture formulated for houseplants or create your own using a combination of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark. Humidity. While the tigress doesn't require super high humidity levels, it appreciates a moderately moist environment. Grouping it with other humidity-loving plants or using a pebble tray filled with water can help. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a light application of balanced liquid fertilizer once a month is sufficient. Hold off on fertilizing during fall and winter. Aglaonema tigress versus other popular houseplants. Dieffenbachia, dumb cane. Both the tigress and Dieffenbachia share similar foliage patterns and low light tolerance. However, the Dieffenbachia is toxic to pets and humans if ingested, while the tigress is considered mildly toxic. Snake plant. Both the tigress and snake plant are known for their low-maintenance nature. However, the snake plant thrives in even lower light conditions than the tigress and has a completely different aesthetic, with tall, upright leaves. Common problems and how to fix them. Brown leaves. This is usually a sign of underwatering or overwatering. Check the soil moisture and adjust your watering routine accordingly. Yellowing leaves. This could be due to several factors: excessive light, underwatering, or nutrient deficiency. Evaluate your plant's environment and adjust light or watering as needed. You might also consider fertilizing if the plant hasn't been fed in a while. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites can occasionally target the tigress. Regularly inspect your plant and treat infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Conclusion. The Aglaonema tigress, a tiger you can tame. The Aglaonema tigress is a fantastic choice for plant beginners and seasoned enthusiasts alike. Its stunning looks, easygoing nature, and air-purifying properties make it a valuable addition to any home. With a little TLC, this low-maintenance beauty will reward you with lush foliage for years to come. So, are you ready to bring a touch of the jungle indoors with the Aglaonema tigress?